are there types of boards, be it public, private equity backed, nonprofit advisory? Are there boards that offer the most accessible on-ramps for first timers, people who haven't served before?
Yeah, it's a good question. I will tell you that, we hear a lot about nonprofit boards as a great place to cut your teeth and maybe, jump on the deep end. I would say that's good, but I don't want you to think or come away from today's conversation that there's a linear progression to this. Um, there doesn't need to be. There's nothing wrong with getting your board documents out there for opportunities and maybe taking a nonprofit role. And at the same time, you're looking for other roles that are compensated roles out there or that are in the industries you're interested in serving in. So, can it help? Yes. I would tell you if in your board documents you don't have anything to put under the board and board committee experience area, I would say a nonprofits could be a good way to do that.
Okay.
But I also know a lot of frustration can come from working with nonprofits where the structure we're talking about is not there.